Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prep my skin prior to applying makeup. So as you guys can see, I start off by basically dispersing some of that cleanser into the palm of my hands. And what I like to do is mix my cleanser with my exfoliant. The exfoliant that I'm using is the Daily Microfoliant from Dermalogica. It's really nice. It's very smooth on the face, really gentle on the skin. So what I like to do is I like to mix it in with the clearing wash all together and then apply that onto my face. The reason why I like to do this is because it just sort of clarifies the skin but also removes any dead skin that might be left over on the face, just to create that nice clean canvas before obviously applying makeup. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, it really foams up really nicely, and I just apply that directly onto my face. I really massage it into my face, and just the areas that tend to be a little bit like rough on my face, where I have a bit of texture, and that's normally like my chin area, is where I find that a lot of my skin texture is a bit rough sometimes, not all the time but sometimes. And what I just like to do is to make sure I really massage that product right into that area and everywhere else. And once I'm finished with clearing wash and the Daily Microfoliant, I move on to dermaplaning. I'm going to be using the black castor oil, and it's a combination mixed with black seed oil as well. And the reason why I'm dermaplaning is because I want to remove all the peach fuzz that's on my face, and this is going to really help. This step will really help with just making your makeup application much more smoother and just for your makeup to last way longer. I'd like to dermaplane my face once every month. I was due to do that. That's why I'm showing you guys this step. But yeah, so I just use that with my Dermaplane, which I purchased from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. Once I'm finished dermaplaning, I just go in with my toner. The toner that I'm using is the Caudalie moisturizing toner, which is super nice for the skin. It just hydrates the skin, especially after doing all that exfoliation. I definitely need it. So I'm just going over with that and just getting rid of any dirt or residues that were left over. And then once I am done toning, I then move on to moisturizing. It's so important to moisturize before you apply any sort of makeup, because that's going to help your makeup be fully hydrated and avoid any cakey makeup as well. So moisturizing with the Avene Aqua gel moisturizer, which I'll link in the description box below. I absolutely love this moisturizer, really loads. So once I'm finished with that, I then do the last step, which is to apply some SPF. You guys already know I'm always preaching about how SPF is so important, but it really is such an important step. So I'm just going in with the La Roche Posay, and this is the SPF that I use. I'll link it again in the description box below. But that's pretty much my prep for makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and do give the video a thumbs up. If you also want to follow me on my socials, you can find me on TikTok, which is Tabith Giselle, and then on Instagram it's Tabith_Giselle, but I'll link those links in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.